In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Solflare wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap, what to look out for, and how to avoid common mistakes when moving SOL from the Binance mobile app into your Solflare wallet. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone. From the home screen, look toward the bottom and tap Assets on the far right. This takes you to your balances and gives you access to different wallet sections inside Binance so you can see what you hold and where it's located. Next, select Funding. This section is where you manage transfers that go out of Binance, which is exactly what we need for a withdrawal. Tap Send to begin moving crypto from your Binance account. When the app asks how you want to send, choose On-Chain Withdraw. This option sends your SOL directly on the blockchain to your personal wallet rather than keeping it inside the exchange. Now search for SOL by typing SOL into the search bar and select Solana when it appears. Take a second to confirm you've chosen SOL and not a similarly named token. Picking the correct asset here prevents misdirected transfers. In the address field, paste your Solflare deposit address. You can copy this from your Solflare app or browser extension beforehand. After pasting, carefully check the first few and last few characters to ensure they match. Crypto addresses are long strings of letters and numbers, and a single wrong character can send funds to the wrong place. If your device supports it, using the QR scanner from Solflare directly into Binance is a great way to reduce typing errors. If Binance shows an optional memo or note for SOL, it's typically not required for personal Solana wallets. Next, select the network. For a Solflare wallet, you must choose the Solana network. Do not pick BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. Sending SOL to the wrong network can result in lost funds. If Binance displays a warning banner, read it and confirm it explicitly says Solana or SOL network before continuing. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer. You'll see a network fee and the final amount you'll receive. Make sure the amount matches what you intend to move, watch for any minimum withdrawal requirements, and leave a little extra in Binance if you need it for anything else. When everything looks correct, tap Withdraw. Review the summary one last time. Asset, address, network, and amount, then confirm. Complete any security verification prompts to submit the transaction. Your withdrawal will process on the Solana blockchain. Most transfers complete quickly, and you'll see the incoming SOL in your Solflare wallet once confirmation's finished. That's it. You've successfully moved Solana from Binance to your Solflare wallet.